Hey guys, wanted to shoot a quick video of this 81 Daytona 500 pace car I've got here. Looks to be about a 39,000 mile car, and we received this car. Customer just recently bought it, had it shipped directly to us, and went through just to double check some things with it, make sure everything was working and functioning properly. When we got the car, it did run and drive, ran okay, seemed a little sluggish. Mainly it's pretty much stock. The only thing was that the exhaust, somebody had removed the cat and had stock mufflers on it, but check engine light was on. Being an 81 US spec car, it had a computer on it and everything. So we did some diagnostics, found out the computer was actually bad. We had a good used computer that we put in it that cured that issue. We did a carb rebuild on it. It really didn't need a tune-up because it had already had one done not too long ago. We did have the mufflers removed because the customer wanted a little more aggressive sound, and kind of went through, double-checked timing, things like that, fixed a few small leaks that it had, and it runs phenomenal now. It actually makes, we made sure it made the correct amount of boost. It's pretty much about 7 psi. Any more than that, it tends to get into a little detonation. So we just left it at 7 basically, for pump gas and everything, but it runs phenomenal. It's a night and day difference. The car runs so much better. It has decent power for being pretty much all stock, and I just wanted to also kind of show, I get asked a lot about exhaust, what's the best mufflers to run. I want my turbo car to sound a little more aggressive. I always tell people, no mufflers, all straight pipe. The turbo is an excellent muffler, especially a stock one. Now, so this is kind of a rare thing that we have. This still has a stock downpipe on it. This still has a stock turbo on it. Like I said, the only difference being that there's no cat on it and there's no mufflers anymore. But the piping is not even our exhaust. It's actually, kind of stock diameter exhaust. So I'm going to put the camera behind the car. We're going to fire it up, let you guys listen to it. Maybe we'll go take it for a ride too. So let's check it out. Now this is how a properly set up 301 turbo should start when it's fully warmed up. No excessive cranking. Not loud at all. It's got a nice rumble to it, especially when you're standing behind it. As I said, it's pretty much just a stock 301 turbo. I always say we go for a ride. Now this is just cruising at 25 miles an hour. It's not loud at all. Just a very little rumble. I'll turn here. I don't even know if that's going to pick up on the camera, but it sounds nice. very tiny bit of turbo whistle. Right now we're cruising at about 40 miles an hour. Windows are down. Accelerate again off the stop sign here. Now, if this had one of our upgraded turbos, you know, stage 3 or stage 5, it'd be a little more aggressive, especially with a downpipe on it. Downpipe makes a difference also. But I mean, this is right now about 45 miles an hour. Totally talking the car. We do a little downshift.